message, respected sir, madam, my seniors and my dear colleagues. Myself Viren Pratap Singh and I am a student of MSc Chemistry first semester. My dear friends, first of all, I would like to say a big thank to handler and also a big thank to Dr. Supriya ma'am for giving me such a great opportunity to speak here on the very special day, which is birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda and celebrated as Youth Day of India. My dear friends, मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूं जहां छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज और सम्राट अशोक जैसा राजा था। मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूं जहां छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज और सम्राट अशोक जैसा राजा था। मैं उस देश का नागरिक जहां हर 50 मील पर रूप, पहनावा, मजहब बदल जाता था। पर मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूं जहां डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया को पाया जाता था। मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूं जिसे अपने भूगोल के पहले इस ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल समझ आता था। A very hectic morning to honorable chief guest of the day. Today I will be speaking on the topic connectivity India economically, culturally and geographically. Now when I look at this topic, I can see two aspects. The first aspect is how do we connect India to itself. The second aspect is how to connect the other countries globally. So when I talk about the first aspect, I dearly feel that India is already a connected nation. Now how NASA reportedly states that the sound of rotation of Earth is Om, and we have been worshipping Om. We have been worshipping landscapes, rivers, lakes since ages. Now which states that other culture is born out of geography of our country. Moving ahead to how to culture is connected to economy. When I talk on this how, I not talk about the heritage tourism. We have about Char Dham, about Golden Temple, about the beautiful churches of Goa, about the Ram Mandir of Ayodhya, about the nation. This revenue help us to build that we have a stronger economy. Now it is possible for us to reach to the portion of the country that one in the most remote areas, and this would lead not only literate individual but educated individual, and educated individual of this nation would arise and develop a better and stronger culture, would arise and take care of the geography of our nation. And when this would happen, our India would arise. Talking of geography, when I see the people who drink water in Bengal, it comes from the Himalayas. The people who experience rainfalls in Mumbai and the crowds are from Gujarat, and we have the second largest network of roads in the world, thanks to the 3% of taxpayer of this country. Ahead, I would like to state how India has always been rich in cultural land, replaced in heritage, and I have beautiful youth people of this country. Superior want to come to as the investor of our lands. With this, I will like to state that the only things that the youth of India can do is to strengthen this connection that already exists within and inter India. How can we do this? We can do this by taking act of participation and understanding what our responsibilities and our duties towards our country. Our nation, our people, and they will realize, when will our country people realize their responsibilities and their duties, the face of this nation will totally change. And let's do this. Let's hold our hands, work even harder, and let's do what India was born to do. To build to love, to build respect, and to generate place. I would like to end my say with this. जिस दिन